Get in there.
Okay, Ma.
He's like, what you doing? That looks like fun. Thank you, Gordo.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much for that. Oh, thank you. That water. I wonder if you realize that. Gordo, you okay? Wah, wah. Did a wah-wah. They talk about it. Wah, wah.
He's like, what you doing? I said, but I'm having fun with this crazy dog over here. Rolling around in an empty pool. Oh, that is so cute. Oh,
Look.
oh, that is so cute. He said, oh, okay, that's what he was doing. Oh, okay. I get the hang of this. No wonder. Ooh, that water feels good. That water feels good. Come on, Mommy.
I know.
Come on, Mommy. Oh. Oh. He is so handsome. They always do it. He's led the little tail.
Oh, Blue. Blue.
Ah, yeah.
Oh,
That's so
we
hot.
used to move for a while.
I'm just so tired. I'm just so tired. Life of a dog is so hard.
Oh, isn't it though?
That's just terrible.
Uh-oh.
Gordo, really? He said, hey, man, can I share with you? Can I share with you? Gordo's like, I don't think so. Bear's like, can we go?
I know. Bear.
He really doesn't want to go. He's like, oh, Mommy. What you doing? What you doing, boy?
Uh-oh. Instigator.
What you doing? What you doing?